Okay, this is 120 Fenchurch Street. It's got a roof garden that is open to the public, and from that garden you can basically see near enough the whole of London. Up there. So I am going to go in and have a look.
Sounds like a prick.
It's not bad up here.
They had those cargos. I was thinking those cargos with that t-shirt were pretty cool. They were just. And this bag, like with that on
So if you want to see London from the top, I mean, you can see, look over there, St Paul's Cathedral. It's a great view. See the Thames over there.
It just looks really nice.
It's actually free to come up here, so you can see over there, you can see the Shard, and they've got a viewing deck right at the top there. The difference between the Shard and here is that this is free. To go on the viewing deck of the Shard, it costs, I think, for roughly about 30 quid, something like that. But yeah, you get a fantastic view from here. And on the floor below, they've got a restaurant. So if you want to come here and have something to eat, you know, a nice meal, and then once you've finished, just come up here and let your food digest while exploring. That looks like just over there. I know that's the Thames. Just it's basically by London Bridge. So if you want a nice walk, just go down to London Bridge down there, and to the right of the Shard you'll get to Borough Market, and you can walk along the south bank all the way. Well, you can walk. You could actually walk to St Paul's Cathedral. If you want to go further than that, you can walk down to Vauxhall. It'll be a nice walk. As you can see over there, Tower Bridge. What a view.
in Manhattan, it doesn't look tall at all. And then when you like, if you take a boat out of here, it's so much taller. Yeah. When you're anyways here.
Sometimes, like, is it does it fit like?
Does it?
Sure.
Why do they have so many weird shapes?
Nice water feature. Just come and sit down here, enjoy the water. Someone must have been wishing because, as you can see, there's a few coins in there. I wonder what they were wishing about. Further down over there, you can see that's like the ducklings.
Yeah, they're like tubes.
You see the ducklings over there? So this is 120 Fenchurch Street. It's the roof garden, free to the public. Fantastic place to just come and chill out on a summer's day, summer afternoon. That's free London for you. That's the gherkin. No, that name because it looks like a gherkin. As you can see, they've got a restaurant on the floor below. 14 Hill, restaurant, bar and deli. Sandwiches, salad, coffee, takeaway wine, beer.